Hello my loved ones. Today I show you how to make a stamped records track like Martin Garrix and Mesto. A couple weeks ago they released their brand new track called Limitless, and it is freaking amazing. At first you need a groovy drum pattern with a fat kick. Then add some additional kicks for more groove. Then add some claps. Then add a bunch of percussions, hi-hats and a shaker loop, and you are done with the drums. For the next step we need to create a catchy sub-bass line which is really low. To make it more rich, we need to pick a few mid-bass presets that play the same bass line. But I EQ these mid-basses like this, so this is what they are sounding like. Next we need the sick lead sound that Martin Garrix and Mesto used in their track. This sound is super unique, and I haven't heard it anywhere else. So I searched up for tutorials on YouTube on how to make it, and gladly our boy Kling Music showed how it's done. But I was still too lazy, so I just downloaded his preset, ha ha ha, and now we are making the melody. I layered this synth shot underneath for a bit more space. It sounds amazing. Make sure to EQ it a bit and give it some heavy sidechain. Now I show you how to make the intro. We actually need a vocal sample with lots of reverb. Oh yay, that sounds amazing. Now for the low frequencies we need a respace. Now we need to pick a sick lead preset and staking it on top of the melody. This is the effect chain, by the way. Okay guys, this is already nice, but we need to fill up the track with lots of background noises and stuff. So I made a pattern with the same vocal sample. A high lead sound. An end arp like this. And 2 ambient samples. And some ambient shots like this. To build tension in the build-up, you need to add some built-up drum samples and risers. And for the nice reverse effect at the drop, we add a bass shot sample like this. I can only recommend to check out my future house sample pack called Shadow. It has hundreds of samples and presets which are great to create stamped style tracks like this. Just click on the link in the description and get it. It is really amazing. And now let's listen to our final result, my boys. My boys, thanks for watching. I love you.